one important thing that we have realized GTF has helped us, to achieve in Ghana is the empowerment of the citizens and the local government agencies. Why? Because in most of the project locations that we have worked with GTF, we have been able to sensitize the community members, we have been able to sensitize the citizens, and they are now able to rise up to demand for their rights and entitlements insofar as WASH is concerned. So this indeed has been an eye-opener program that we wish it could continue for more than even 5 years period for which we have implemented this project. We first and foremost work with these particular communities to sensitize them on their rights and responsibilities. After sensitizing them on their rights and responsibilities, they themselves even turn up to follow us with key action plans that they want to implement, which will help them get access to water services, get access to water points, get access to boreholes. And then when this final happens, the citizens are able to organize their own traditional authorities, the youth, the children, the women, and persons with disabilities, and they are able to mobilize together and conduct what we call the community scorecard. By using the community scorecard, they use it to assess the service provided, by implication the local government authorities which provides these particular services for them. In situations, these services, when they are not good, the communities themselves then come out with action plan, go to the local government agencies and tell them that these are the services that you have provided for us which are not very good and which indeed are not sustainable. And one important thing we also help these communities to do is to also realize that in as much as they have rights, they also have responsibilities. So in communities that we have implemented this particular project, there have been so much awareness among the communities, among the citizens, so that they are able to take any action at all to make sure that their facilities are functioning day and night. In fact, the media persons and the networks are now allies to us, in that when we are going to the communities to sensitize, to create the awareness, and then to create the demand for services, we move with the media. So these media are able to cover the activities and then publicize them. In some situations, the media themselves are even able to ask government and the politicians the needed questions. Why services are not being provided to these particular communities, or why these communities are even having more than necessary, and in some situations why some communities facilities are not functioning. One important thing that we have realized is that the media landscape in Ghana is very vibrant, and in fact the government, the politicians are all very much afraid of the media, because once the media blow the items, then the politicians, the service providers, and the local government agencies runs for cover. And one important thing we have done is that for the sustainability of the linkages between the media and the citizens, we have linked the community-based organization with this particular media. So when they are organizing their accountability days, they call the media, so that the media comes and see what they deliver, the media comes and see what they are also delivering. And in such accountability days and citizen engagement days, the local government agencies are there. So now we have seen a lot of improvement in that, with the fact that the media is very vibrant and always on time. The local government agencies are now put on their toes, such that when they budget for these activities, they want to make sure that those allocations really go direct into the services that they are going to provide. And this is the power of the media that we are talking of. The first step of taking this learning and this project forward is internalizing the learning and the plans into the work plans of WaterAid and partners. This is something that we have already started in Ghana and in West Africa. So we are hoping that the IPOs, the implementing partner organizations, are able to embed this learning and then the activities and the achievements into their own plans. Beyond that, we are hoping that we will support these particular implementing organizations to look for further funding. With this evidence of learning, with this evidence of empowerment, with this evidence of being able to hold government accountable, we believe that other donors will be able to buy into the idea. Beyond this, for me in particular, as a regional learning center coordinator for citizen engagement in charge of learning and documentation, we want to package and parcel all these learnings into briefing notes, into reports, into flyers, and into leaflets, such that we will share this across West Africa, so that people will be able to look at the learning that has gone with the GTF project insofar as WASH is concerned. And now, going beyond this, we want to package the whole project of governance and accountability that GTF came and supported us, so that we'll package and parcel this particular project and sell it to the governments. Sustainability comes when our governments ourselves, when the African government, when the West African, East African government, and the AU and the ECOWAS are able to buy into this particular idea.